For the 2020 model year, the Kia Soul is all new, looking better than ever. Hi, this is Joe from Scarff Ford, and today we're going to talk about this 2020 Kia Soul LX. Let's dive in. Obviously, it's 2025 now, and the Kia Soul has been redesigned or updated since then. But today we're talking about this pre-owned 2020 Soul that we have for sale. It's almost an iconic design. I mean, pretty much everyone knows what a Kia Soul is, even though it's not a Corvette or a Mustang. It's pretty popular and it has pretty good brand recognition. They're also very affordable and economical to own. And with its boxy shape that's kind of funky, a little bit different, it actually works really well for the styling and look. But also that boxy shape helps maximize interior space. Even though it's a very small vehicle, you have a lot of interior space, a lot of passenger space, decent amount of cargo space back here, and of course you can fold down those rear seats for more cargo space. Sitting in the back, I'm 6'2". I got a ton of leg room, ton of headroom, very comfortable. It'd make a fantastic Uber or Lyft vehicle. These are pretty fuel efficient. You'll average right around 25 miles per gallon in the city and up to 35 miles per gallon on the highway, thanks to that super efficient CVT transmission. Even though the Kia Soul is built to a price point, it's on the more affordable end of the car spectrum when buying vehicles. Kia does not make it feel cheap and chintzy on the inside or outside. You have a nice, stylish interior. The feel of the interior, the plastics and stuff are very quality, no squeaks or rattles. You have a CVT transmission, you have a drive mode selector. That will change the behavior of the vehicle, like the way the transmission shifts, throttle sensitivity, things like that. So there's sport and normal mode. Great infotainment system of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And of course we have a parking camera. This one has really low miles. For 2020, this is 2025. Most people average 10, 12, 15,000 miles a year. This only has 10,769 miles. So this is a near new condition, very low miles. Most vehicles this old are gonna have like 40 or 50,000 miles. Looks great in red. Really love that front end styling. Kia, they really have a great design theme going on. Their designer really does a beautiful job on all their products. And when you're dealing with a boxy shape, like it's basically a box on wheels, they try to make these things look stylish and look good, but obviously they're up to task with the Soul and it looks fantastic. Don't take my word for it. Read some automotive reviews of the Kia Soul. The automotive press, they heap a lot of praise on this product. For an engine, we have a 4-cylinder engine that pumps about 150 horsepower. Obviously, you're not going to win any races, but enough to get it to 60 miles per hour in about 8 seconds. So you have plenty of passing power, plenty of merging power. Also very fuel efficient with up to 35 miles per gallon on the highway. Well, thanks for taking the time with this little walk around video on this 2020 Kia Soul. My name is Joe. We are Scarff Ford. We've been in business 103 years. We sell new Fords, new Isuzus, and a very wide variety, as you can see, of pre-owned vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.